Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to set task dependencies in Monday.com to ensure that some tasks can't start until others are complete, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Dependencies are perfect for project management and keeping timelines on track. Step 1, add a dependency column. Open your board, then click plus, add column, then select dependency. This column will let you link tasks that depend on each other. Step 2, link dependent tasks. In the dependency column, select the task that needs to finish first. This creates a parent-child relationship between tasks. Step 3, add a timeline or Gantt view. Dependencies work best when combined with timeline or Gantt view. This allows you to see tasks move automatically based on other tasks' progress. Step 4, set start and end dates. Make sure all tasks have a start date and end date. Dependent tasks will adjust automatically when the preceding task is updated. Step 5, use automation for updates. Go to Automation's arrow, custom recipes, and set rules like when the dependency task is marked done, arrow notify assignee or start the next task. This keeps your workflow smooth without manual adjustments. Step 6, monitor dependency conflicts. Check the timeline or Gantt view for overlapping or circular dependencies. Adjust dates if conflicts appear. Step 7, combine with priority and status columns. Use status and priority columns to highlight blocked or urgent tasks. Dependencies automatically show which tasks are waiting on others. Step 8, communicate with your team. Make sure all team members understand task order. Use notifications and comments to keep everyone updated on dependent tasks. Task dependencies in Monday.com let you automate project flow, prevent bottlenecks, and maintain accurate timelines. Follow these steps, and your projects will run smoothly with clear task relationships. See you in the next guide.